friends, welcome back to Legal Prep. So today we'll discuss about the acquisition of easement by prescription under Section 25 of the Limitation Act 1963. So this is under Part 4 of acquisition of ownership by possession that discuss Section 25 to 27. So first let's discuss about 25. Acquisition of easement by prescription. Subsection 1 provides that where the access and use of light or air to and for any building have been peaceably enjoyed as an easement and as no right without interruption and for 20 years for any other property and for property belongs to government is up to 30 years. Okay, so we said that where any way or water course or the use of any water or any other easement has been peaceably and openly enjoyed by any person claiming title thereto as an easement and as of right without interruption and for any other property that is for 20 years and for government that is 30 years, then such right to such access and use of light or air, water course, use of water or other easement shall become absolute and indefeasible. Subsection 2 provides that each of the said period of 20 years shall must ending within 2 years next before the date of the institution of the suit wherein the claim to which such period relates is contested. Subsection 3 provides that the period of 20 years is extended to 30 years if the property over which the right is claimed belong to government. To understand more clearly Section 25, let's discuss the explanation. Nothing is an interruption within the meaning of this section unless where there is an actual discontinuance of the possession or enjoyment by reason of an obstruction by the act of some person other than the claimant, and unless such obstruction is submitted to or acquiesced in for 1 year after the claimant has notice thereof and of the person making or authorizing the same to be made. It provides for acquisition of easement by prescription. Easement by prescription is a type of adverse possession where one acquires an easement. So what is easement? Easement is a right to use another person's property in some way. Easement by prescription occur where someone use another property for a certain amount of time without permission in a way in which the owner should be aware of. This section is remedial in nature. For the acquisition of right to easement, some conditions are there. Firstly, peaceable possession. Secondly, openly and as of right someone can use and without any interruption. Okay, अगर किसी ने मतलब और किसी का प्रॉपर्टी मतलब हमारा घर है लेकिन आप हमारे बाजू में रहते हो, आप ओपनली बिना कुछ इशू किए मतलब एंजॉय कर रहे हो प्रॉपर्टी पीसफुली, मतलब मैं देख रहा हूँ आप यूज़ कर रहे हो लेकिन मैं कुछ नहीं बोल रहा है, लेकिन ये करते करते अगर 20 साल हो गया आपका तो आप अभी क्लेम कर सकते हो उस प्रॉपर्टी में राइट. सो सारी मतलब घर के जो मालिक हैं ये सारे अपनी जगह में भी बाउंड्री बना लेते हैं क्योंकि कोई आके घुस ना ले, कोई ऐसे ही यूज़ करते करते उस प्रॉपर्टी में पोजीशन ना मांग ले. सो सम केस लॉज आर देयर. अगर आप एग्ज़ाम के लिए सच में फोकस्ड हो तो ये केसेस पढ़ के जाना. वैसे तो हमारा लिमिटेशन एक्ट बहुत इजी है, बस तुमको अच्छे से समझने आना चाहिए. और पहले मैं इंग्लिश में समझा देती हूँ फिर मैं हिंदी में भी तुमको बता देती हूँ क्योंकि दोनों साइड के ऑडियंस है, दोनों साइड के बच्चे हैं, सब समझ ले अच्छे से. वही तो बात ही तो अच्छा लगा कुछ जाना, मतलब नोट्स बना रहे हो तो डू लाइक कमेंट शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू लीगल प्रेप. भाई बहुत मेहनत लगती है, सब्सक्राइब करके जाना.